Children, very good morning. Welcome to English class. How are you all? All of it are fine? Okay. So children, in the yesterday's class, what we done? Yes, we done practice in literacy skill book, is it? Yes. So what practice we done? Fill in the blanks with the vowels and match the picture with words. Is it? Yes, we done it. Okay. So, in the today's class also, we'll write fill the blank with the vowels. Okay. So, you know the vowels. How many vowels, children? Very good. So, which are the 5 vowels? Loudly say. Very good. A, E, I, O, U. So these are what? Vowels. A, E, I, O, U. So these are what? 5 vowels. Is it? Yes. So now in your 4-line English notebook, we'll write it. Okay? So everyone take out your 4-line English notebook, take out your pencil and eraser, take out new page and write CW, classwork. And write here fill, F-I-L-L, fill, iron, in, T-H-E, the, B-L, A-N-K-S, blanks, with W-I-T-H, with the, T-H-E, the, vowel, V-O-W-E-L-S, vowels, and put underline. Yes. Okay. So now here, you have to put here box. Take your parents' help, okay? Otherwise, you have to write it. Okay, now write here A, E, I, O, U. Yes. Now here put down here numbers. Okay, now write capital letter, right? First letter C-B. Next write C-T. Next D-N. Next N-T. Next T-N. Next P-T. Next H-T. Next C-P. Okay, next write B-D. Next T-B. Next H-N. Next B-N. Next M dash T. Next, F dash N. Next, B dash T. Next, S dash N. Yes. So like this, write it neatly, children. So how I wrote in the neat note? So like this, everyone has to write it. Okay? Fill in the blanks with the vowels. So here we wrote the vowels. Is it A, E, I, O, U? What these are? These are vowels. Yes. And this side we had given the alphabet's letters. Is it? Yes. And between middle we put the dash. So here what we had to write it here? We had to write these vowels. So correct word vowels letter we have to write it in here. Okay. And we have to match the word. Okay. Yes. For example, I will show two examples. Okay. C dash B. C dash B. So C dash B. So which letter will come? CAB, sap, CEB, C, CIB, sap, COB, soup, CUB, cup. So which is the correct answer? U. So here U letter, CUB, cub. CUB, cub. So U is the correct answer in this word. CUB, cub. Okay, next. C dash T. So which letter will match it here? CAT, cat. CET, say. CIT, sit, sat. COT, sort. CUT, coat. So which is the correct answer? Very good. A. CAT, cat. And O also it will come. COT, cot. Okay. Okay. So anyone you write. Okay. Next, D dash N. DA and Dan, or DE and Dan, DI and Din, DO and Don, DU and Dun. So which is the correct answer? Dan, DE and Dan. So E. So write it here, E letter. So all the letter you have to match it and you have to write the correct one. Okay. DE and Dan. Okay, next. N dash T. N dash T. So which letter will come here? NUT, nut. NET, net. So any one you can write it. NET, net, or NUT, nut. So I will write here NUT. NUT, nut. Okay, next. T dash N. TE and 10. Otherwise TI and tin. So any two you can write it. So I will write here TI and tin. Okay, next. P dash T. P dash T. Here two words will come. PET, pet, or POT, pot. So any two you can write it. So I will write here O, P-O-T, pot. Okay, next H-T. Here H-A-T, hat. Otherwise H-O-T, hot. H-E-T, hat, or H-O-T, hot. So any one vowel you can write it here. So I will write here hat. H-A-T-A. H-A-T, hat. Okay. Next C-P. So which word will come? Correct word. C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. Okay, next B-D. B-D, bed. B-E-D, bed. So correct? Yes. B-E-D, bed. B-A-D, bed. So any two. B-A-D, bed, or B-E-D, bed. So any you can write it. So I will write here E, B-E-D, bed. Okay, next T-B. 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 T-A-B, tap. T-E-B, tip. T-I-B, tip. T-O-B, tube, or T-U-B, tub. So which is the correct answer? Very good. U. T-U-B, tub. T-U-B, tub. Okay, next H-N. H-N. H-A-N, hand, or H-E-N, hand. H-I-N, hin. H-O-N, hon. H-U-N, hun. So which is the correct answer? H-E-N, hand. So write it here, E letter, H-E-N. So you have to match all the letters and you have to write it. So which is the correct? Only that you have to write. Okay. Next B-N. B-N. B-I-N, bean. B-E-N, bean. B-O-N, boon. B-U-N, bun. B-A-N, ban. So which is the correct answer? Yes, B-I. B-I. B-I-N, bean. Bean means dustbin. So waste things we'll throw in the dustbin, no? Yes, bean. Okay, next M-T. M-T. M-E-T, meat. M-A-T, mat. M-I-T, met. M-O-T, moat. M-U-T, mud. So which is the correct answer? M-A-T, mat. So write here A letter. M-A-T, mat. Okay. Next F-N. F-N. So which is the correct answer vowel? F-A-N, fan. F-E-N, fin. F-I-N, fin. F-O-N, phone. F-U-N, fun. So which is the correct answer? You can write it A letter or U letter. Okay. F-A-N, fan. F-U-N, fun. So any you can write any one vowel, A or U. So I will write it here U letter. Okay, next B-T. B-T. B-A-T, bat. B-T, beat. B-I-T, bite. B-O-T, boot. B-U-T, butt. So you can write A letter or U letter here. B-A-T, bat, or B-U-T, butt. Okay, I will write here A letter, B-A-T, bat. Okay, next, last one, S dash N. S dash N. S-A-N, san, S-E-N, see, S-I-N, saint, S-U-N, sun, S-U-N, sun. So, any two, you can write it, O or U letter. So, I will write here U letter, S-U-N, sun. Okay? Yes. So, help of these vowels, you have to write here. Okay? You have to fill the blanks with the vowels. Okay? So, now read C-U-B, cup, C-A-T, cat, D-E-N, den, N-U-T, nut, T-I-N, tin, P-O-T, pot, H-A-T, hat, C-U-P, cup, B-E-D, bed, T-U-B, tub, H-E-N, hen, B-I-N, bean, M-A-T, mat, F-U-N, fun, B-A-T, bat, S-U-N, sun. Yes. So, homework is same what you wrote in the classwork, you have to copy in homework page. Okay. So, with the spelling, you have to spell it and you have to write it. Okay. Yes. Okay. So, everyone do the homework and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.